Hey, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ashish, and today in this video I will show you how I create a voice agent which we have connect the 4 or 5 calendar in the voice agent and book an appointment. Okay, and basically what I have do in this AI voice agent, if you see here is help to property management. He will, like, if someone call us, he will send the booking link according to the calendar. Okay, and here what I do here, I will tell you how I create the and connect this 5 calendar. Okay, and here if you see that we cannot add more than one calendar. Okay, you already know if you face this problem. Okay, and what I do here, I have prompt here, like, then someone call, please add the full name and email, and then ask the service type. Okay, and then he say my service is plumbing or is related to plumbing or electrician. Okay, then what I have do, I have saved this exact name or email first. Okay, and then I have up after the call cut, I have update the service fees. Okay, it's very helpful, okay, to determine what the users say. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. Okay, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and then the call is cut. After is the custom field will be updated according to the user condition. If user say I have a plumbing issue, this will be this will be saved in the plumbing. Okay, now I will show you the workflow what I am do. First of all, I have understand you, like, if the call is cut and caller, like our AI agent asked to the caller what we do and what problem you are facing, then caller say I have a pipe leakage or this type of things. Is now the AI agent understand and determine this is plumbing issue, and it will be safe to the issue in the service type custom field. Okay, if you see here the plumbing, HVC, electrician, cleaning, I will show you how I do that. Okay, and if you like this and this video is helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. And here I will, like, I have created this workflow. Okay, and what I have do is I have created this workflow. There is no trigger. Okay, I will tell you where you can connect this trigger. First of all, I have create the the contact, okay, according to service type as well. Okay, and then I have connect to the opportunity, and then I have selected the if else condition. If you see here the service type, I will tell already service type, and here also in the voice agent I have update after the call code service type. This, if service type is plumbing, he will directly send us send us the plumbing calendar link. Here I attach the plumber calendar. Okay, this one. And I hope you understand what I'm trying to do here. I have connect this. So give one more example for you, like if someone say I have a short, I have a, I have a problem in my circuit board, he will determine, our AI determine and save the electrical service in the custom field. Okay, and then after cut the call, this workflow will be run and send the electrician calendar link. Okay, and then I have set this calendar appointment. Okay, a very easy part. And now I will tell, and then I have also create a workflow here, like if someone's book and cleaning and type of appointment, he will send the automatic reminder. Okay, this is easy part, you will do easily. And now I have tell where I have connect this. Basically I have connect this here, trigger workflow, then a call is complete, then call is completed, I trigger this workflow and he's automatically run and send the appointment according to the service call. Okay, this is very easy, and he will, this automation will be work perfectly with the AI agent. Okay, I hope you understand this video, and if you want to more video this type, please like and subscribe my channel. And if you also want a GHL service for me, and the link in the description, or